Box makes a great structural plant in the garden. You can plant it in the borders or you can grow it in containers like this. All different shapes as well. And we've been trimming these through the summer, but it's now ready for its final trim. And this is about the last time we would trim it. You know, we're in now to the second week in September, so we don't want to be trimming it too late. We need to give it time to toughen up before the winter. Various ways you can do it. You can be very traditional if you want to and use the old sheep shearers, and that's fine if you've only got a little bit of box to trim, but I'm not going to bother with those on this. You could use shears and you get a really nice, neat finish with shears. A bit time consuming, but you can be creative if you've got topiary shapes. But for this one, I'm going to use a hedge trimmer. This is just a battery powered hedge trimmer. So just need to switch it on and this will give a really neat finish. There, that looks better. It looks more like a pyramid now instead of just a blob of foliage. You'll also notice I've got some dust sheets down on the floor just to catch the clippings. It just makes it much easier for tidying up afterwards. And that's it basically now. It doesn't need any more attention through the winter. The next time this will get a trim will be next June.